Hey, good morning and welcome to the channel. We're the San Antonio Pickers, and if you're new here, we are a family that does part-time reselling on the side. We go to garage sales, estate sales, and we find things to flip for a profit and hopefully flip for a profit on sites like eBay and Mercari. So if you're interested in that, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell. But before we get started, let me tell you something interesting that happened the other day. And so usually about one time a year, I'll have someone buy something and then immediately request to cancel. It happened twice yesterday within 30 minutes. Someone bought something, immediately requested to cancel, and about 15 or 20 minutes later, another person, different person, bought a different item and then immediately requested to cancel. So let me know in the comments if you're seeing things like that happen. I thought it was just very weird and strange that something that happens like once a year happened back to back within 15 minutes. I looked, it's different people. It's not the same person, trying to scam me or anything like that. So I just thought it was interesting. But let's look at the two things that sold. So these flash bulbs, these GE flash bulbs, is ones I got from the Alamo Picker lot. So I have about $1.25, $1.40. I was in a bulk buy, and it sold for $4.99, free shipping. There wasn't quite 12 in there. I thought there was, so it hurt the value a little bit. There was only 8, and that was disclosed in the listing. But it still sold $4.99 free shipping. Sorry, $4.99 plus shipping. And then I sold my very last Xbox 360 Metal Gear Rising. This is from that big games lot, and it sold for $19.99 free shipping. So let me get these shipped out, and I'll come back and I'll tell you how much we made on this entire lot of games that we bought. Alright, so I did the calculations on those Metal Gear Rising Xbox 360 brand new games that I bought at that big games garage sale. And we bought 10 of them, and we made a total of $96 and about 26 cents. So $96.26 profit. So I think they cost me about $3.20 each because it was buy 4, get 1 free. And so that was a very good deal. They had more down there. Looking back, obviously, hindsight is always 20/20. I wish I would have bought more of them, but I wasn't sure, so I took a shot on 10 of them, and they sold all in about a month. So I'm very excited about that purchase. All right, everyone, I looked on Craigslist and a moving sale popped up and the person just put pictures. So I got all these clubs for $15. So there's a myriad of clubs. There's a Wilson Ultra, MX400 putter, and they're pretty good condition. Some Titleist, these Tour Collection Forged Feel MX400. But really the money was in the drivers. So we got a Callaway. Let's see if we can get better light. There we go. Got a Callaway Big Bertha Warbird. That one sells for about $44. It's in good condition. And then as I was looking at them, come on, as you can tell, got an MX400 driver. It is in great condition. And then this one, MX400 3 wood, also in great condition with head covers. So I'll probably sell these as a set. Oh, come on. And then this one, the guy never hit his 5 wood. MX5 405, you can see that's never been hit. And he said he never hit it. That is brand new. He said he didn't like it. He just hit his 3 wood everywhere. And as you can tell, it has never been hit. So $15, I'll make my money back on the Big Bertha. And then we'll make even more profit with the 3, 1, 3, and 5, and then I'll just find something to do with the other clubs. I'm not sure how valuable they are. I haven't had a chance to look at them yet, but I may just put them on for $5 or $10 on Craigslist if they're not that valuable. But overall, just checking and Friday afternoon, I think it turned out pretty good, so I'm very happy.
Hey guys, today we sold a vintage computer floppy disk drive. We got it for $150 and it sold for $12.99 plus shipping.
Hey everyone, we got two things going out today, and around here in San Antonio, I guess because of Omicron and also because of the cool weather we've been having, there's not a lot of garage sales, and the estate sales are just starting to pick up after the new year. So What's been selling has been coming from the Amazon bin store that I went to, the Amazon Overstock store. So let's look at the 2 things that sold. So I sold another one of these Von Dutch hats, and that sold for $19.99 free shipping. I got 3 of those, and all 3 sold. And I also sold this little fur zapper. I think it's like to remove pet hair in your laundry. And once again, paid $5 for that, and it sold for $14.99 free shipping. So right about doubling my money on both of those.